Family Plans, and today I will be doing my latest planner hauls, and I will be doing several unboxings from Cloth and Paper, Top Paper Co., The Planner Spot, and Teresa Creative. And then first up is 2 orders from Cloth and Paper, so I got double the freebies, so a lot of planner cards, the thank you cards. These are actually different colors, which is interesting, but got double the freebies. And then there was just one item in one of the orders, so I just wanted to consolidate them, and they're all for my new agenda. So I did order the contoured A5 black hardware agenda from Cloth and Paper, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be using that for content planning, and that's also going to be my first like real decorative agenda. I don't get too decorative in my agendas, and I really just want to have a decorative one, and I just love that one. I've had my eye on the Louis Vuitton Epi Leather agenda, and it's like the best dupe, and it's from Cloth and Paper, so you know it's gonna be great quality. So when I saw that they had that one, I instantly like had to buy it. So I did pre-order that. So that does come in October, I believe, and I've already started ordering inserts and everything, so when it gets here I can set it up and just start using it right away. So I'm really excited for that. But I grabbed a couple of things. So in this agenda, as I mentioned, it's going to be for content planning. I also want to get more creative and more decorative, so I actually did something a little different, and instead of getting the CEO glass dividers from Cloth and Paper, I got the Girl Gang with the white foil just to try these out. This agenda is going to be way more fun, and so I want to get more dashboards, and then these, because I feel like these are more fun than the CEO ones. I'm still kind of configuring what's going to go behind each one, but we have these. And then I ordered 2 dashboards. So I ordered the There Is Luxury in Simplicity dashboard. This is like Cloth and Paper's tagline, what they're known for, in their personal quotes. I wanted to add that in to this new agenda. And then I thought I had this, but apparently I didn't. So I picked this one up. And then the whatever you do for work or play, do it with passion, which is the Christian Dior quote. I had to get this one for this agenda because I felt like it made sense. It's for content planning. So I also picked this one up. This one's probably going to be like my main dashboard at the front. I think it'll just go really well in the all black agenda. And then you have that white, and then with the white tabs, I think it'll just play off really well. So we have those. And then currently, if I use my MM and my GM for content planning, I have these project management inserts I had in my MM agenda. So I ordered them in the A5 since I'll now only use that for content planning. So I wanted to get these in the A5 size, and I love these for collaborations and projects that I work on. So these are the perfect insert for that. So I just picked up these, and then everything else that I intend to use, I think I already have, but we'll see. I still keep floating around with what I want to do, but I just wanted to grab a few things first that I know for sure I wanted to add into this agenda. And so this is everything that I currently plan to use. And then once I figure out what goes behind each tab, I'll probably get a couple more things if there's things that I don't already have. So that is everything that I ordered from Cloth and Paper. And then next up is my first monthly subscription kit from the Planner Spot. So I purchased a lot of their individual stickers. So I'm excited to use these. I absolutely love their stickers. I think they're so pretty, and I just love these monthly sticker kits. I want to get more decorative in planning, so I really wanted to get these and use these in my agenda. So I did subscribe to the full kit, so this is every piece, and that's just so I had a lot to work with. So first up in here is the bucket list. So you get some decorative stickers, functional stickers that relate to the month, and then this one I think is really more centered towards like Black Friday and shopping and holiday shopping. So it's the script on here says it's an add to cart kind of day, which is perfect because I have to do all my holiday shopping probably in November. November is also my birthday month, so I love this theme, and I think it's going to be really cute to use. And so here is a sheet, and so this is my favorite. So you have sweaters, pumpkins, leaves, like a really cute sweater washi strip, and this is meant more for like your monthly view, which also have a little planner and books. I just think this is so cute. And then kit B is full boxes, so really cute, like warm and cozy stickers, and then another washi strip. I just love like the cardigan feel and the leaves in here. I just love the way that these are done in the color scheme. And then for sheet C, this is a mixture of boxes. They have flags, half boxes, full boxes, and then some are decorative. And then you have kit D, and so I'm gonna be using these in my monthly views. And so these are like the larger version of the washi, and then you just have a lot of today's to-dos, little things, and then other stickers that you can use. But I think these are so cute. I'm really excited to use these, and that this was like my first kit that I subscribed to since it's my birthday month and since it's fall, and I just love all of these. I just think these are so cute. So here's everything at a glance. And so I'll be using these throughout the month in my monthly view and in my hourly, weekly inserts. I think these are just gonna be a really cute addition. So this is everything. And then next up is an order from Top Paper Co. So you get a thank you card and then a planner card. I ordered another refill of the pumpkin spice transparent page flags because these are my favorite and I'm just flying through them. And then I ordered a lot of stickers. So I am part of the PR team for Top Paper Co. So I do have a discount code. It is Linda10. It gets you 10% off your order and a customized freebie. So you get this little freebie, and I absolutely love it. I'm keeping this one probably forever. I'm not going to use this one. But you get this and 10% off your order when you use my code. So really great deal. And she has some of my favorite stickers. She definitely has my favorite page flags. And then I've been loving the transparent dots. So Top Paper Co. used to be editor of Chic. So if you've been in the planner community for a while, she's very popular. So just a new brand, but same great quality stickers. So in this order, I grabbed the lavender latte transparent dots just to switch things up, as well as the green tea latte to go with the page flags. The Cafe Con Leche transparent dewdrops. I love the transparent dots, and so I wanted to grab the dewdrops as well. And then I ordered some of the icons. So I ordered the grocery shopping icons because I think these are so cute. I love the little bananas and the little eggs. And then the cleaning icons. So each sticker comes with a set of 2. So we have all of these, and that is everything that I picked up. I want to use the lavender ones in like Halloween spread, and even the green tea latte, like mix them up with like the pumpkin spice to really get like a fall feel, and then the Cafe Con Leche just really for, you know, everyday use. But I absolutely love her dots, and I have these stored in all of my agendas. All right, and then last one that just came in is my fall subscription box for Teresa Creative. So first item in the box, so it looks like there are 2 sets of stickers. All right, so you get 2 sets of each stickers and just a variety of fall stickers. I really love these pumpkins. I love her designs. I think they're absolutely amazing. She also has these in digital versions, so you can use them on Instagram, anywhere online, in Canva. I'm probably gonna put these somewhere in my planner. I just haven't decided yet, but we have all of these. And then you get a little card, and it's just a really cute fall bouquet. And then you have a couple of other prints, and they're on these really nice cardstocks. So you have this fall, what I would assume is a pumpkin cold brew, or at least that's how I'm gonna see it. And then I'm probably gonna put this at the front of my planner as some decoration. And then you get this really cute graphic design, and it's a sweatshirt that says pumpkin spice season. And so you can cut this down and put it in your planner. You can use it for decoration. You can use it as a wall print. There's just so many different things that you can do. You can cut them out individually. And then there's a really adorable calendar. So I love this calendar. I keep it on my clipboard, and so I think that's how I'm gonna use both of these. So let me kind of show y'all. So I have this clipboard from Erin Condren, and right now I have one of the quotes from the last subscription box from Cloth and Paper. But I'm gonna replace that with this adorable calendar. We have all these, and then this one I'm just gonna put with the stickers. That's everything that came in this box, and I just love her designs. I think they're so cute. This is gonna go in my planner, so let me actually grab that. So here is my agenda, and let's put it in the back. We're gonna put it here so they can still see it. I also put the planner spot subscription kit back here until November, but that way this is still pretty decorative. We have that. And then what I think I'm gonna do with these stickers is use them on my content planning section, particularly on this dashboard that came in the Cloth and Paper subscription box. But yeah, that is my latest planner haul and everything that I've ordered. I will have another planner haul soon, and I will also have an HP mini setup video because I did order stuff for an HP mini. Literally everyone I follow on Instagram just has like the cutest notebooks, and I just love the way that Ashley from Cloth and Paper set hers up. So I'm just decided to go for it and do it. So I'm gonna be setting up an HP mini, and I have an order coming from Cloth and Paper on that. And then I'm also kind of configuring my 2021 planner system because I have so many like new planners coming in. I really have to figure out like my system, and so I'm trying to figure out the best way to use all of my planners, and I'll have a video on that of course as well with an updated planner stack once I decide everything. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.